Hello and thanks for joining us. This is Sav at Airmart, Aircraft Sales and Brokerage, and this is our Friday Flyby. This week we're featuring a freshly painted Diamond DA40. It's a 2005 model year, powered by Lycoming's IO360 engine, producing 180 horsepower. This plane will cruise out at 140 to 145 knots, burning 8 to 10 gallons an hour. It features Garmin's G1000 avionics suite, and it's paired with a 2-axis Bendix-King KAP140 autopilot with altitude pre-select. It has approximately 5,100 hours total time on the airframe, and only 595 hours since major overhaul in that engine, leaving plenty of life left. This plane features Garmin's G1000 avionics suite with a 10-inch primary flight display and multifunction display, and that's paired with Bendix-King's KAP140 autopilot with altitude pre-select. This aircraft can fly coupled instrument approaches, GPSS navigation, as well as altitude intercept, pre-select and intercept. Visit our website, follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.